Hey everyone, how's it going? First off, a huge thank you for all the support on the last video. It's been amazing to see so many of you in the comments, sharing your thoughts and experiences. I've been busy these past few days working on a project, and I've got some updates to share with you. I recently just launched a Chrome extension project of mine, Fast Folders. It's a powerful Chrome extension for the Google Gemini web interface that lets you organize and access your chats instantly. You can create folders, store conversations, search for specific chats and folders, and keep everything neatly arranged. If you would like to test it, it's available now in the Chrome Web Store. It's early stages for this, and I'm improving features on a weekly basis. Thanks to Edmund Yong for the inspiration on this idea. As expected though, the work didn't stop once it was live. I've been fixing some bugs, improving the landing page, and now shifting my focus to something completely different: marketing. And let me tell you, switching from building to marketing is a whole different game. When you're deep in building mode, it's easy to think that once you launch, you're done. But really, launching is just the beginning. After releasing Fast Folders, I immediately ran into some small bugs that needed fixing. Things like UI issues and unexpected behavior in certain workflows. It's a constant cycle of testing, improving and refining. But beyond the product itself, something just as important is how you present it, and that's where the landing page comes in. A good landing page isn't just about making it look nice, it's about making sure people instantly understand what your product does and why they should care. I've been working on this because first impressions matter. Some landing pages can be overly complex and fail to give the viewer the information they need. If someone lands on the page and doesn't get it in 5 seconds, they're gone. So my aim with this was simplicity and informative. And once the product is built and the landing page is ready, now comes the real challenge: getting people to actually use it. Switching from coding to marketing is like using a completely different part of your brain. As a developer, you're used to solving technical problems, but marketing is all about communication, psychology, and strategy. One of the biggest lessons I've learned is that you need to block out time specifically for marketing. It's easy to get stuck in building mode, constantly tweaking and improving, but if no one knows about your product, it doesn't matter how good it is. So I'm making an effort to set aside full days just for marketing, whether it's posting on different forums, Discord chats, reaching out to potential users, or making content like this. Now, if you're learning to code and want a platform that makes the process interactive, practical, and future-proof, then you need to check out Scrimba. What makes Scrimba really stand out from other learning platforms is its unique Scrim format. Instead of just watching videos, you can directly edit the code the instructor is writing right in your browser. No need to copy-paste code into your own editor. It's all seamless and interactive. Scrimba also takes a project-based approach to learning, so you'll spend less time memorizing theory and more time actually coding and building real projects for your portfolio. Plus, a ton of their content is completely free to get started. The Pro subscription unlocks certificates, exclusive Discord channels, unlimited coding challenges and advanced courses. And right now they're doubling down on AI-powered coding education. They've partnered with Mozilla MDN as well as domain experts from Hugging Face, Mistral and LangChain to create cutting-edge courses. One of the newest features is their AI instant feedback, now available across hundreds of coding challenges. This gives you real-time guidance, helping you learn faster, gain confidence, and stay motivated. If you're serious about becoming a front-end developer, their Frontend Career Path is a great structured program to get your teeth stuck into. And with my link in the description, you get 20% off Scrimba Pro. And that brings me to something a lot of you have mentioned in the comments. You want to start building something, but you're stuck on where to begin. First of all, let me tell you, that's completely normal. Every developer, every entrepreneur, every creator starts at that exact same point. The key isn't to have a perfect plan or know everything in advance. It's just to pick a path and start moving. Maybe that means following a structured course like Scrimba, where everything is laid out step by step. Maybe it's diving into small projects, experimenting with new technologies, or even contributing to open source to learn from real-world code. Whatever route you choose, the most important thing is to take action. And here's the secret. You learn the most by doing. When I started working on my Chrome extension, I had no clue how to launch one. I didn't have all the answers, I just started, hit roadblocks, Googled things, leveraged AI, watched tutorials, and figured it out along the way. That's how progress happens, so if you're feeling stuck, stop waiting for the perfect moment. Just start, build something small, make mistakes, learn from them, and keep going. Because the only way to truly get better is to take that first step. So that's what I've been working on. Fixing bugs, improving my landing page, and shifting my mindset from building to marketing. It's been a challenge, but it's also part of the process of turning an idea into something real. If you're working on your own project or even just thinking about starting, let me know in the comments. Whether you have questions, need advice, or just want to share what you're building, I'd love to hear about it. Let's keep the conversation going.